How to get your music on Vevo. Sign up for an account with an official Vevo partner distributor like Ditto Music, DistroKid, or Route Note. These companies manage music video submissions to Vevo on your behalf. Create and finalize a professional music video that meets Vevo's quality standards, including correct file format and resolution. Upload your music video through your chosen distributor's dashboard, providing all required details such as artist name, song title, genre, description, and copyright info. Your distributor will submit the video to Vevo for review and approval, which may take from 24 hours to 10 days, depending on whether you have an existing Vevo artist channel. Once approved, your music video will appear on your Vevo artist channel and be available for streaming, earning you royalties directly through the distributor. Maintain and optimize your Vevo channel by adding profile images, banners, and updating metadata to engage fans and improve discoverability. Upload the same music video on your own YouTube channel to maximize reach using appropriate tags and titles connected to Vevo for better visibility. Subscribe.